Well, I finally managed to install the electric AC on this beautiful 1974 Alfa Romeo GTV. As you can see, let's check. The AC core right now shows about 58 degrees, which is fantastic. I'm pretty happy with the result. And the cabin shows about 74. That's the cabin temperature. Again, the core temperature is about 58. Not bad. Very happy with the result. The car runs beautiful and the AC functions fantastic. Let's take a look at the engine bay so you can see how this AC was installed. While it's running, see, there we go. As you can see, this is the electric AC. It looks, it's vibrating. It looks very good. No belts to the engine, so that means no horsepower. This is fantastic.